Hello everyone. Today we'll be starting with exercise 2.3 of our second chapter, that is linear equations in one variable. Okay, so in the last exercises you have seen some problem sums. In the first exercise you have seen just solving a given linear equation. Here we have our question as there are like 10 questions. Okay, and the questions are, it's given that solve the following equations and check your results. So what we have to do is we will find the value of unknown, whether it is x, y, a, b, c, whatever it's given, and then how to check our results. We'll put that value, suppose we get x equal to 2, so we'll put that x equal to 2 value on both left hand side and right hand side of our equation, and we have to check whether the both left hand side and right hand side are equal or not. If both are equal, then we can verify that the solution that we found for the unknown value is correct. Okay, so let's get started with question number 1, that is given as 3x equal to 2x plus 18. Okay, the first step is very simple. Let's solve the equation. You know, this will be transferred to this side. This is 18, right? So 3x minus, you don't write it as 1x, you write it as x. X is equal to 18. Sorry. So this is the first part, it is done. Now what we have to do, we have to check the results. So you can write it as verification. Okay, so this is the second part. What we do in verification, putting x equal to 18 in the given equation. Okay, the given equation, this is our equation. Now we'll first take the left hand side, then take the right hand side. What is given in the left hand side? 3x. What is the value of x just we got is 18, right? So 3 into 18, how much we'll get? It's equal to 54. So this is what is the value of the left hand side. Now we'll be moving on to right hand side of the equation. Right hand side is what? 2x plus 18. This was our right hand side of the equation. So x value we got it as 18. Let's substitute the value. 2 into 18, 36 plus 18. So you will get it as 54. Now please see that this and this are coming as equal, right? So what I can do, since left hand side is equal to right hand side, so the solution is verified. So I can write therefore 3x equal to 2x plus 18 is equal to 0. So it is verified. So this is the way how you solve an equation and check the result. Okay, so we'll be doing few more sums of this kind. Let us go on to question number 6 now. We'll try solving question number 6. Okay, now let us see what is question number 6. Question number 6, the question is 8x plus 4 is equal to 3, x minus 1 plus 7. So this is my equation. Let's solve it. 8x plus 4 is equal to multiply 3x minus 3 plus 7. Now I'll bring the variables to this side. Constant I am putting it on the, sorry, this will become minus 4, right? So 8x minus 3x, it will be 5x, and here you will get minus 3 plus 4, you will get is 4 minus 4. So 5x is equal to 4 minus 4 is 0, right? So x will be equal to 0 divided by 5, and you know this will be equal to 0. Now what did I get the value of x here? It is equal to 0. Now I'll be putting this value of 0 equal to x equal to 0 in this part and this part, and I'll check whether both the left hand side and right hand side are equal or not. Okay, let's get started with the verification part. Okay, so the verification, that is the second part of our question. Putting x equal to 0 in the given equation, right? So what is my left hand side equal to? It's equal to 8x plus 4. What is the value of x? 0. So what do I get? 0 plus 4 is equal to 4. Now move on to right hand side. Right hand side I got 3x minus 1 plus 7, right? 0 minus 1, this is minus 1 plus 7 So 3 into minus 1 plus 7. See this? Minus 3 plus 7 equal to 4. Now if you see, this and this are equal. So what I can write is that, so I am using this case here, since left hand side is equal to right hand side, what I can write? Therefore 8x plus 4, that is the given equation, is correct. So I can write, and please write it's verified. So how you do the equation. Also you another one, last one for today, that is question number 8. It's a little bit lengthier, it's having fractions, so I'll show you that. We'll be doing question number 8 now. Okay, so this is my equation for question number 8. So what you can do is, here you can do two things. First you can do is that you can either find the LCM here itself, or you can transfer the constant to this term and bring the variable side to this term. I'll do that. See, I'm taking this way, or you can find the LCM here also. Same. Now LCM is 15. Divide, you'll get 10x minus 7x, and 3 minus 1 is equal to 2. So it will be 3x by 15 is equal to 2. Now the 15, if it's divided here, you know it goes this side, it becomes multiplied. So 3x is equal to 30. This implies x equal to 30 by 3. You please cancel, what you will get? 10. So what is the value of x you are getting here? X is equal to 10. This is the first part. Now for the second part, we have the verification. So let's do the verification now. I am making use of this part itself. I'll do the verification here. What will I write? Putting x equal to, I got 10 in the given equation. So what is my equation? Let's see. Left hand side I have 2x by 3 plus 1. So what is the value of x? 10, right? 20 by 3 plus 1. If I take LCM, 3, 20 plus this will be 3. So 23 by 3 I got on the left hand side. Now coming on to the right hand side part. What do I have in my right hand side? I have this. So let's get started with this. Let's put the value 7 into 10 by 15 plus 3. So it will be equal to 70 by 15 plus 3. Let's take the LCM here. So if you take LCM, 15, 70 plus 45, right? 70 plus 45 here. Now please add this one. What will you get? 5 and 7 plus 4, 11 by 15. Let's see if it gets cancelled. 5 3s are 5, 23. What did I get? 23 by 3. This is what I got in my left hand side also. So what I can write? Since, so what I can write here? Since, I can write since, space I am taking, left hand side is equal to right hand side. So what is my given equation? Therefore, the equation, that is 2x by 3 plus 1 is equal to 7x by 15 plus 3. These are equal. So this is verification. Okay, so this is verified. Now students, I want you to try the remaining questions of the exercise. Apart from what is being taught in the video, you will have to try that, the remaining questions like 2, 3, 4 and so on. So you will be trying this as your homework, okay, of the exercise. Same exercise, that is exercise 2.3. Same process, only the equations are different. So you will find the value of the unknown, and then what you will do, you will be finding out the left hand side and right hand side by substituting the value of the unknown, whether it is x, y or whatever it is. Now what you will do is you will try to solve in the exam. The equations might be different, so you can do it easily. If you can solve one equation properly without making any mistake, you can be given any type of equation of that kind, you can do it. I hope you have understood today's explanation. If you have any doubt, please let me know. Thank you everyone.